Sige. Ilakad na. Tingin ka sa inapakan mo. Si Marites, kasi Marisol.
If the toxin accidentally goes to our eyes, we can feel an eye irritation. That eye irritation, it can lead to temporary blindness.